klaro mo yun siya yung bibigay ni, ni Teacher Charles instruction. Sige. This one ha, I'll be writing in here na, dito na ako magsusulat. So for this one, please click this one. Sige, start tayo ate. Try to answer daw this one. What's the answer? Nine over 15. So 9 and 15 ate. Can we reduce 9 and 15? Hindi.
No.
Sure? Try to think ate.
I don't know.
Try to think of a number. Try to divide it by 3.
8,
Try to divide, skip count by 3 ate, skip count.
3, 6, 9.
Oh, 9 is mentioned. Next.
3, 6, 9, 10. At 3, 6, 12. 1. 15. Is it 15? Three, 6, 9, 10.
3, 6, 9, 12.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15.
Oh, so di ba? 9 divided by 3 is 3, correct. Next.
9, 10, 9, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 5.
Oh, that's the answer ha? 3 all over 5. Ate, if Teacher Charles God, you will say na, ate, reduce it. You need to try skip counting ate ha, from the numbers that you've memorized. Ha? Okay, next. Try natin ito ate. 5 all over 8. Tapos minus 1 all over 8. Sige daw. Oh, can we reduce it? Hindi.
Yeah.
By what number? Very good. What divided by 4? Ah, 4 divided by 4. Very good up here. Sige ha, this is how you do it ate if the denominators are the same ha. Next, multiplication naman tayo. Wait ate. Okay. By the way, you have a new learnings. Okay. So for this one ate, multiplication naman tayo ha. If multiplication ate, you multiply straight ahead directly. Ha? So it doesn't mean that this is 5 and 5, you are going to make this one 5. It's not. If multiplication, you go straight ahead. 2 times 3. 2 times 3.
2 times 3,
2, 4, see counting.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Oh, tama na. 2 times 3 naman. Sige.
2, 4, 6.
Oh, it's 6. Next. 5 times 5.
Ask it number 5?
Yes, ate.
5, then 50, 40, 25.
Okay, it's 25 ate. Okay. Yeah, 25. This one, 6 and 25. Can we reduce this one? Hindi. Can we reduce that one? O hindi?
No.
Very good ha, hindi ha. Okay, this one ate. Try natin ha. This one, ay times ito ha, times. Okay, sige daw ate.
Yeah, I'm gonna skip down by 3.
3 times 5. Skip count by 3 ate.
3, 6, 9, 12.
Up until 5 man. 3, 6.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15.
15. Sulat. Next, 4 times 6.
4, 8, 12, 16, 18.
Ulit. 4. Ulit.
4, 8, 12, 16,
Hmm.
20,
Hmm.
24.
Oh, so that's the answer. 4 times 6 is equals to 24. 15 and 24. Can we reduce this one? Hindi.
No.
Sure? Try to skip count 3.
3, 6, 10,
It's not 10. 9.
3, 6, 9, 10, 12.
It's not 10. Walang 10 ate.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15,
15 is mentioned. Wait lang. Try to confirm 24. 15?
18, 21, 24.
Oh, ibig sabihin 15 and 24 are both divisible by 3. Oh, so not divide 3.
3, 6, 9, 12,
So 15 divided by 3? 5. Very good.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 15, 18, 20, 24.
How much? Wait lang ulit.
2, 4, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20,
1.
21, 24,
How much?
7.
Sure, 7? 8?
Ay, 8.
Oh, this how you do it ha? Isa pa.
Ay, di lang.
Ate, 1 times 3, 3 tama. 2 times 4,
2,
2 times 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is equals? It's not 4 ate. Di ba this one, 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 times 4. Ulit ha, sige, okay na, 8 na, tama na ate, 8. Sige ha, di ba yung memorize 2 ate? I will say 2 times 8, i-find out mo answer ha. Sige, 2 times 2, how much?
2, 4.
The answer is 4. 2 times 8,
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12,
14.
14, 16.
Oh, ibig sabihin, 2 times 8 is equals to 16. Ate, ang times ate, mauna na siya ka ng 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Pag once na-divide ate, bali na sila. Okay, isa pa. Try na to. 3 all over 5 times 2 all over 3. Sige daw.
I skip count by 1 here.
What you mean skip count by 1? 3 times 2. 6 ate, very good. Tama.
5, 10. Okay.
Oh, that's how you do it ha. Oh, 6 and 15 can be reduced. This one hindi.
Yeah.
By what number?
2,
Try to skip count if matamain mo si 15. By 2, sige daw.
2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 15.
2, 4 ulit 2,
2, 4, 6, 8, 12,
10.
10, 12,
14 ate, by 2, hindi by 3. You are memorizing 3, 2. Ulit 2.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14,
After 14,
16.
oh, natamaan si 15, wala. Hindi siya, ibig sabihin it's not 2. Try to think of another number.
3,
3 ate. Oh, try to confirm daw if si 6 and 15 can be divisible by ano ate? Can
3,
be,
6, 9, 12, 15.
oh, ibig sabihin 6 and 15 is divisible by 3. It's not 2. Okay? Go ate.
3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18.
6 divided by 3, how much?
18?
Ulit, 6 divided by 3.
3, 6,
Ate, it's not times ha. You are multiplying. Divide ito ate. 6 divided by 3. Skip out by 3.
3, 6.
Oh, the answer is 2. Ate, parang you nalito ka. Hindi ka nalito? Oh, sige ulit. 6 divided by 3. 2. Next. 15 divided by 3.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 5.
Very good. That's how you do it. Okay, isa pa ha. Dapat mag-gets mo talaga ate. Okay? Sige. Try natin ito. Sige daw. Try to skip count. Ay, to multiply.
I skip count by 1.
No, ate, do not skip count. 5 times 1. 5 times 1, how much?
5.
5. So the answer is 5. 5 times 1. Next. 6 times 5.
6, 12, 18, 20,
4.
24, 32.
30. Ate, di bigyan ka ni mama mo ng multiplication table? Wala. Did you memorize? Wala nag-memorize. So 6 times 5, how much? 6.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30.
Oh, ibig sabihin 30. Kapag times ate, sige sulat 30. This one, teacher will make it clear. If times gani ate, for example, 6 times 1, 6. Ang answer, 6 ate ha. Next, 6 divided by 6. The answer is 1. Kaya ulit ate. 6 times 1 is equals to 6. 6 divided by 6 is equals to 1. Remember that one ha? Okay. Sige. 5 and 30. What number can be divisible by 5 and 30 ate? Or what number pwedeng ma-reduce si 5 and 30? 5. Very good. Oh, divided by 5 ate. Approve. 5, 6. O, that's how you do kita. Isa pa ate. 4, 5 times 3. Try natin ate. Dapat yung medyo mahirapan ka ate. Try natin ang 2. O, this one ate.
12.
O, 12 all over 10. Can we reduce this one?
Yeah.
By what number?
2.
Very good.
5. It's fine. It's fine.
Very good.
2, 4, 6, 8, 7, 6.
This is how we do it ha. Okay, isa pa ate ha. Very good. Parang nakuha mo na siya. Sige daw.
7, 14, 10, 14, 21, 28, 35. So it's 8, 12, 16, 18, 20, 21, 24. Kasi tama. Last kita.
O, tama ate. It's 35.
8, 8, 8, 12.
8, 16 ate.
8, 16, 24, 20,
32.
32, 36,
32, 40. Di ba? 8, 6, 4, 2, 0.
8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Ay,
O, tama. 32, 40. After 40? After 40. That's 5 pa naman. 8 times 6 man ang need natin ate.
40, 48.
O, 48. O, very good ate. 35 and 48. Can we reduce it? Hindi.
No.
Very good. No ate. Okay, this one ha. 3, 5 times 4, 5. Sige daw ate.
3, 6, 12, 14. 3, 6, 12, 14. Is it 14?
3 times 4 ulit. 3.
3, 6, 12.
Ano? 12. Ate, you always forgot 9.
3, 6, 9, 12.
Oh, so 3 times 4 is equals to
12.
12. Ate, huwag kalimutan.
What's that?
Oh, 8. This one, yan, that one.
5 plus 5. 5, 10, 15, 25.
Very good. Oh, 14 and 25. Can we reduce it? Hindi.
12?
Can we reduce it? 12 and 25?
No?
No, very good ate. Ibig sabihin, that's a final. Isa pa ha? Okay, parang you understand it na a little bit? Sige daw.
Three, 6, 9, 12, 15.
Very good.
16.
18.
18.
Very good. Oh, sulat, 18. Next. Go, 8.
8, 16, 24.
Very good. Stop na. Di ba 8 times 3 lang?
8, 16, 24.
18 and 24. Can we reduce it?
Yeah.
By what number?
Three?
3. Oh, go ate. Divide it by 3.
3 is 16. 3 is 6. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20, 24 is. Where's no? Where's that?
Oh, this one.
24 is 8. 8 and then. Ay, ito na. Hindi pala din. 8. 3, 16. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16, 18. Yes. 6. Here.
6 and 8. Correct ate. Pero what 6 and 8? Can we reduce it? Hindi.
Yeah.
By what number?
1.
Is that 1? Bawal 1 ate. By?
Three.
It's not 3. Diba? 3, 6, 9. Maski po man si 8.
2.
Si ate?
Yun na. I'm gonna put na lang it here.
Go put it na sa baba ate.
2, 4, 6, 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 4. Here.
Very good. Isa pa ha. Dapat mag-gets mo ate. Ate, do not wait for Teacher Charles na magsabi pa si Teacher Charles na, what number can you reduce this one? Dapat, after you have an answer, try to think kaagad if the number is reducible or not. If you cannot reduce the number, you will say Teacher Charles, this is my final answer. Ibig sabihin, if that is your final answer ate, you automatically reduce it na ha. Okay? So ibig sabihin, if you have an answer, what you're going to do kane, you have to check ate if the number on the top and the number at the bottom is reducible. When you say reducible, it can be divided pa ate ha. Okay, sige ate, try natin. Sige daw.
8, 4, 6. 4, 4, 6. 8, 16. 8, 16. 8, 16, 18. Is that 8, 16?
Oh, dapat ganyan.
8, 16, 21, 24.
8,
16.
walang 21 ha. 8, 16.
8, 16, 34. 32.
Very good. Right, 32. Next. What's next? Try to check if the number is divisible.
No.
Sure? Ate, you know how to skip count sa 2 na mag-abot ng 32? This one ate ha? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. O, that's 10 na ha? Okay? Continue tayo ate, 20. When you say ate skip counting, basically ate, you are adding 2 ate. So di ba you start ate with this one? Excuse me, 2. Add 2 ate. 2 plus 2. Di ba that's 3, 4. O, ibig sabihin ate, 2, 4. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, oh, 6. Ibig sabihin ate, when I say ate, you try to do the skip counting of 2. Ibig sabihin ate, when we say skip counting, basically ate, is adding 2 lang ate ha. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That's 10. Di ba hindi pa tayo nakaabot ng 32? Oh, so palatandaan muna natin. That's already 10 ha. 20 plus 2 ate. Oh, that's 11. Next, 22 plus 2.
22.
No, 24. Oh, continue adding plus 2 ate. You have 22, you have 24. Next, continue to add 2.
25.
Ah, 24 plus 2.
36.
26. Next. Oh, that's 13 na ate.
28.
Oh, 28. After 28, 30. Next. Oh, that's already 15. 10, tapos I have in here. Oh, 15. Next. Add pa. 30 plus 2.
32.
32. Oh. Ibig sabihin ate, si 6 and si 32 can be divisible by 2. O sige daw ate. You do the same process be. 6 divided by 2, how much? 6 divided by 2?
6. 6, 12, 18, 21, 24,
Tag 2 ate, you are doing 3.
2, ay 6,
2 ate. Kaya di ba you use divide 2?
2, 4, 6.
Oh, how much is the answer? 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Next, 32 divided by 2. Sige.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 18,
14.
14, 18,
16.
14, 16, 18, 20,
2.
22, 22,
Plus 2 lang.
22, 24,
Very good.
36,
Correct.
38,
Mm.
30.
Next.
What's that? 20,
Di ba 30 your last?
32.
Oh, how much lahat yan?
11.
It's not 11. It's 16. Oh, ibig sabihin, this is 16. 3 and 16 natin. Can we reduce this one? Hindi.
No.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Wala na. Okay ha? Ate, isa pa ate. This is the last one ate ha? Okay. So this one. Ate, bale, tandaan mo ha, if multiplication ate, for example, sabi si Teacher Charles, 2 times 5. How much ang 2 times 5?
Ay, 2 times 5.
Hmm.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Oh, so 2 times 5 is equals to? Next, 10 divided by 2.
10,
Okay, pag once gani ate, naman sabi si Teacher Charles, 10 divided by 2, di ba, the last word or the last number that you've heard ate is 2. Ibig sabihin, you are not going to use 10, 20, hindi ka nun. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, up until you reach 10. Ibig sabihin, 10 divided by 2 is how much? 5. Okay, isa pa ate ha? 2 times 3.
2 times 3.
Mm-mm.
3,
Ate, 2 times 3, kapag times gani,
divide 1 to
pwede, you can do 3 also. Sige, ulit. Sige, 3 ate.
3, 3, 16.
Oh, ano 3, 16? 3, 6.
3, 6.
Oh, this one ate ha? 2 times 3 is how much?
3, 16.
Ano 3, 16?
3, 6.
Oh, 6 next. 3 times 2.
3, 6.
Ano 9? Ate, 3 times 2. First muna, 2 times 3 muna tayo. When I say 2 times 3, 2, 4, 6. It's 6. 3 times 2. 3, 6. Okay, this one. How much? 5 times 2.
5. 5, 10.
Oh, 10. Next. 2 times 5.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Yan, ate. Oh, ganyan ha. Okay, this one, ate. 10 divided by 2. How much? Divide ha, it's not multiply.
10.
Ako nag-use si 10.
2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Oh, how much? 5. Very good. 10 divided by 5.
5, 10, 15.
Ay. Ulit, 10 divided by
5, 10
5. Oh, 10 na. Tatamaan mo naman si 10. So how much?
is 2.
2. Oh, sige ha, training pa tayo. Isa pa. Ay, call your kuya na. We want to continue this one ha tomorrow. Ate, what is your learning for today?
Mas dito.
This one, you learn addition, you learn subtraction, you learn multiplication. Ibig sabihin, tatlo yung naturo ni Teacher Charles ha. Pero so far, yung pinaka-hardest sa'yo ate is multiplication, right? This one, wala kang problem sa minus, right? And also sa plus. Tomorrow, we will continue this one ha. Ate, I have one assignment for you. Memorize your multiplication table. Ha? Di ba your mom give you the, the paper? You memorize it ha? Oh, call your kuya ate, tapos siya na naman yung papuntay mo dito. Okay? Bye ate. Bring the, bring the kutsara. And also this one, tapos sige your mom ate, di ba? You call your kuya, baba, sabihin mo na ate na, sabi Teacher Charles, thank you for the video. Ha? Thank you ate. Go, go. Fifty-two, 67, 76. 52, 67, 76. Hi! Are you excited for our lesson? Why are you excited, man?
No.
Okay, sige kuya, for today, we are going to learn kuya ha, the same thing na ipag-aralan ni, ni ng kapatid mo kuya ha? Okay? We are going to learn the same thing kuya, as what your sister learned. Okay? Sige, wait lang kuya ha. Saan yun siya? Ito ba yun? Okay. Sige, cancel na. Ready, ready, ready?
No, 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 no.
No, 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 no. Why?
No.
Sorry. Okay. Whiteboard. Sige kuya, I will explain to you. Sige, multiplication muna tayo. Multiplication 2.
Huh?
2. Ay, 1 muna sa 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now, next sa 2.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Very good. How about sa 3?
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 22, 21, 24, 24, 20, 26,
7.
27, 30,
Next sa 4.
4, 8, 12, 16, 21,
20.
4, 4, 8, 16, 20,
4 equal?
4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 37,
36? 36.
36, 40,
Oh, isa pa.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40,
Very good. Sa 5.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 25, 40, 45, 50,
6.
6, 12, 18, 24, 4, 24, 30, 36, 34,
36. 40.
40,
42.
36, 42, 42, 42, 48,
54.
54,
Isa pa.
60. May kanina din po.
Go. Kuya, add ka na lang ng bond paper. Agad na only 1 lang. Ha?